بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to you in your English class. As you all know that we daily start our English class with alphabet poem. So are you ready? Stand up and start the poem. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Very good. Okay students, very good. Okay, now before moving toward the new lecture, we will start or we will revise the previous lecture. Okay, look at this alphabet chart. This is A and the sound E. This is A and the sound E. बच्चों मेरे साथ पढ़ें. Name A and the sound E. Okay. This is B and the sound B. This is B and the sound B. मेरे साथ पढ़ें बच्चों. Name B and the sound B. Name B and the sound B. Okay. This is C. What is this? C. This is C and the sound K. What is this? C and the sound K. Name C and the sound K. Okay. This is D. This is D and the sound D. Name D, sound D. Name D, sound D. Okay students, now moving toward the reading. Do you know that things we start from D? बच्चों अगर आप नहीं जानते तो परेशान बिल्कुल नहीं होना. Open your English book, page number 12. Here we have many pictures which start from sound D, sound D, which start from sound D. Okay, what is this? What is this? This is a dog. A dog. Okay. The beginning sound of dog is D. And the beginning sound of D is D. Okay, students? A dog. A dog. The beginning sound of dog is D, and the beginning sound of D is D. बच्चों dog D से start होता है. Now read with me. D dog, D dog, D dog. Okay students, now tell me what is this? Yes, door. What is this? Door. What is this? Door. Okay, do you know what is the beginning sound of door? Yes, the beginning sound of door is D, and the beginning sound of D is also D. D door, D door, D door, D door. Okay students, now tell me what is this? Yes, desk, desk. What is this? Desk. The beginning sound of desk is D. D desk, D desk, D desk. Okay, what is this? Doll. What is this? Doll. What is this? Doll. The beginning sound of Doll is the doll. बच्चों मेरे साथ पढ़ें. The doll. The doll. Wow, what is this? Duck. What is this? Duck. What is this? Duck. The beginning sound of duck is the. The duck. The duck. The duck. Okay, what is this? Donkey. What is this? Donkey. What is this? Donkey. The beginning sound of donkey is the. The donkey. The donkey. The donkey. Okay students, now story time. Now I will tell you the story of D. Listen the story carefully and try to recognize those words which start from D and sound D. Okay student, story of the. Story of D. ठीक है? Now we will start the story. Once Dania was coming back from school. Suddenly she saw a donkey and a dog of dark black color. She became dread. Suddenly she saw a donkey and a dog of dark black color. She became dread. She opened her house door. She opened her house door where she saw a desk. She saw a desk over which a dolly doll and a duck was kept. A duck was kept. She kept her drawing notebook and bag on the desk and went to her dad. Okay students, now we will revise the story once again. This is D and the sound D. Story of D. Once Dania was coming back from school. Suddenly she saw a donkey and dog of dark black color. She became dread. She opened her house door. Where she saw a desk over which a dolly doll and a duck was kept. She kept her drawing notebook and bag on the desk and went to her dad. Okay student, now I will ask the question. Okay, now tell me, who was coming back from school? Yes, Dania was coming back from school. Okay, what did she saw? What did Dania saw? She saw a donkey and a dog. Okay. What did she open? What did she open? Yes, a door. She opened her house door. She opened her house door. Okay, now tell me what was kept on the table? Yes, a dolly doll and a duck. A dolly doll and a duck was kept on the desk. Okay, now tell me, where did she go? Where did Dania go? She went to her dad. She went to her dad. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है आपको स्टोरी पसंद आई होगी. ओके, नाउ इट्स योर होमवर्क टाइम. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ ओपन योर बुक. दिस इज डी. यस, दिस इज ड. बच्चों, ये डॉट से लिखा हुआ डी है जिसको आपने ट्रेस करना है और नीचे वाली लाइन में आप खुद से डी लिखेंगे. ऑल द वे राउंड, अप एंड डाउन. बच्चों, आप यहाँ पर डी लिखेंगे पेज नंबर 13 पर. ओके, नाउ वन मोर एक्टिविटी फॉर यू. राइट ड. ओके, what is this? Doll. You will write D here. What is this? Desk. You will write D here in this box. This is a duck and a door. बच्चों, आपने इन बॉक्सेस में D लिखना है. Okay students, this is your homework. You will write D here and here and make an attractive video and send to us on WhatsApp. Okay, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.